Hello guys and welcome again to the channel. On this video, we'll talk about 7 things na medyo na-go-obsessed ang mga call center agents like me. Or well, that may be a strong word. Pero ito kasi yung mga bagay na tipong babalik ka sa bahay kapag nakalimutan mong dalhin. So stick around. We've got 7 on our list and at the end of this video, we have a giveaway. So stick around to find out how you can win. Our 7 things on the list coming up next. Thank you guys for staying. Now, yun nga, ito yung mga bagay na lagi nating dala. At the same time, makikita mo sa mga call center agents at malalaman mo na, uy, malamang taga-BPO yan o taga-call center yan. Kasi meron ako nun. At obsessed ako sa mga bagay na yan. Now, we're not talking about tips here or anything that's job-related per se. So, if you're looking for those tips, kung paano makapasa sa interviews and whatnot, click on the link below. Nandun yung mga tutorials namin for your reference. Now, what are those things na lagi natin dala at obsessed tayo mga BPO and call center agents? Here they are. Now, number 1 on the list is headphones. Now, this is my preference. This is an open back kasi maganda yung acoustics niya. Pero for most of us, I know mahilig tayo sa Bluetooth. And for Bluetooth and traveling, what I use is my Xiaomi Bluetooth headphone. So, ito yung isa sa mga bagay na alam mo na kasabay mo sa bus, na kasabay mo sa UV, Express, malalaman mo na, uy, malamang BPO to. Hindi ito unique sa mga call center agents, alam ko. Pero isa tayo sa mga heavily invested kasi alam natin na lagi natin siya ginagamit. During break time, pangpatulog, from and to work. And home, vice versa. So, ito yung number 1 sa list natin. Yes, number 2 on our list is coffee. Now, alam ko, nakakapraning to kapag wala kang dalang coffee and given that we're working late at night or even sa mga Australian accounts who works very early in the morning, we really need coffee. Now, there was a time na extra Diyos ang katulong natin and I don't know why. I haven't tried that. Share in the comments below kung nag-work sa inyo yun to keep you up until the end of the shift. Pero for me, it's always coffee. If there's budget, syempre Starbucks. But if without, then I guess the Vendo coffee will do. Sometimes sa ibang companies free siya. So it's really great na people could enjoy coffee without having to pay another cent. So yeah, that's our number 2. For number 3, syempre, where else do we put our coffee? Spill-proof mugs. Now, I know hindi lahat heavily invested sa mga spill-proof mugs, but it is a necessity, especially by on some companies na nire-require talaga nila na spill-proof mug ang dala mo. Now, I'm using a Stanley mug. There. Kasi this one can keep your drink hot for 8 hours long. That's almost an entire shift. For cold or iced, it can stay iced for 4 hours. This is really great. Medyo pricey nga lang siya, but you can get it at Chris Sports and it's gonna be one of the best investments that you will spend on while working in the BPO industry. Kasi nga, safe and secure yung mga drinks box. And I heard that Stanley is collaborating or has already collaborated with Starbucks. So you can get the same quality at your favorite Starbucks outlet and enjoy your favorite Starbucks drinks. Okay, so what's our number 4? Number 4 on the list is, or are, lanyards. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you mine kasi I left it in the office because of the lockdown. I had no chance to get it back. And I don't normally use it because I just clip my ID on my shirt or pants. But for some people, this is really an obsession that there were people who actually collects lanyards. Now, it doesn't sound good because these people may be call center or BPO hoppers. But still, there was a time that I'm sure there will be a time that they will stop. But until then, If you don't call that an obsession, look at this. See, obsession. I used to have 4 or 5, but I've been in the industry for a number of years now. So, and some companies nire-require ka na ibalik yon when you file or apply for a clearance. So, I don't have all of my lanyards now, pero may mga tao talaga who collects them. And speaking of lanyards, I think what I've seen as the best is, I'm not sure if they call it lanyard for Accenture. It looks like a chain. Pero I think it's one of the best that I've seen. Number 5 on the list is jacket or kumot. Who doesn't have those, right? Now, I feel sorry for the employees of one BPO in C5 na parang warehouse yung office, and I can hear a lot of complaints about how hot it is inside, especially for those working day shift, when air conditioning almost always fail in that BPO company. I hope na binago na nila yun. Most of the time, when there's a client visit, you can expect na you will feel na full blast yung mga aircons kasi your company is showing off. So there, it's a necessity. It's not a luxury. It's not hype. It's not that you consider just vanity. It's a necessity, guys. Number 6 on the list is salamin or mirror. I've seen a lot of agents placing huge ass mirrors on their stations. I have many times, and up until now I still don't understand why. But let me think of some reasons.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Nothing. Next. Number 7 on the list is job portal. Tell me if I'm wrong kung hindi ito naka-install sa phone nyo, because I'm sure it is. And I don't blame you, because especially for a lot of newbies out there who's just starting in this industry, there's always an opportunity outside your own company, and never stop looking for those opportunity and greener pastures. Now, it's just fair to look for a better job, something different, or something that makes you happy. It doesn't feel like a job. So keep your options open. Speaking of job portal, please know that we have our own job portal from the companies we personally recommend. Now, the $1 million question is, what about getting something back? Yes, we won't call it a referral bonus, but we promise you on your 3rd month, if you get hired through our job portal, you will get something from us and you will be contacted. As a matter of fact, you are free to follow up with us on your 3rd month, and we will definitely give you something. Okay guys, so that's our list, 7 things that we are obsessing about. I don't know about you, but I'm obsessed with a lot of those. The job portal, yeah, maybe. So yeah, as promised, we're giving away something on this video to our subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button. We're giving away this color changing mugs from Starbucks. There used to be around 5 units in this box. I think binigay ko yung isa as a gift or as a giveaway, not on this channel but on our page or website. So sorry, you only get 4. So for the mechanics, just share this video on your social media account, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and then tag 3 more friends because there's 4 in this. Huwag ka naman masyadong gahaman, share mo yung cups. Ayun. Para alam nila na may makukuha sila in case na mabunot ka. And we'll draw the lucky winner among our subscriber list, and we will announce the winner by the end of this month. So ayun guys. Thank you for watching, and that was fast. We hope to see you around on our next video. Have a good day.